My name is Amit Kaushal and she's my mother Veena Kaushal. We wanted to share our experience and a feedback on vertigo treatment which we had undergone at Aster Discovery Gardens. My mother had a problem of dizziness. She was not able to lay down, she was not able to get up on her side, and it was a very difficult situation for us. We even went for another hospital for emergency, but we were finally diagnosed that it's a neuro problem, it's a vertigo problem, and we must see a specialist for it. So we came to Dr. Vishal in Aster Discovery Gardens, and over there the doctor was able to diagnose based on the vertigo equipment which they had what is the real problem. There is some particles in her ear which are making her lose balance or making her have this dizziness thing. Mommy, can you explain better how was your experience, how are you feeling?
I was not good, not even go to the toilet. I want some support from 2-3 persons, then I only get up. But there was too much headache and dizziness in my head. So when I went to Dr. Vishal Pawar, then he gave me so much good treatment that I am now okay.
See, it happened for, we were given the treatment on the day one when we visited for 3 times because the particles were not able to move out in the outer, I forgot the technical name, but outer circle of the ear, outer diaphragm of the ear. So the doctor did it 3 times to make sure that the pain reduces for her, and after that he said we should wait for 1 day and see how does she experience the next night.
The next day I was completely okay.
She was completely okay. The next day 95% perfect, was able to get up on 3 sides, almost 3 sides. Only one side her head still had some minor dizziness on getting up, which we revisited again the second day in the evening, and again doctor did another session, and that was done for us. And we are so glad, so happy that without a medicine, without any needle, this problem was solved in such a short time. That makes it more effective. It was done in 2 days time, from the situation of adverse to a situation of being normal. And we are really thankful to Aster, and we wanted to highlight it on the various platforms so that other people in Dubai or outside can use this technology, can use this non-medicinal way to get back to on track, back normal.
It is really a miracle for me.